How to automatically accept follow requests on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm Jesus today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After that, scroll down in here, you'll find follow and invite friends. Click on follow and invite friends. Here, instead of flag for review, according to your region, you'll find automatically accept follow request. You'll find here below following, simply turn it on. Make sure the circle is on the right side. After you do this, Instagram will automatically accept follow requests on Instagram. And this is how to automatically accept follow request on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.